Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a VW Touareg door panel. First, you will need to locate and carefully remove the small trim piece that covers the door handle screws. Once that is off, you will see 2 Torx screws. Use the appropriate driver to unscrew these. Next, move to the top corner of the door, near the side mirror, and gently pry off the small plastic cover there. This reveals another hidden fastener. Now, look towards the bottom of the door pocket. There's usually one more screw hidden there that needs to be removed. After all visible screws are out, it's time to tackle the clips. Grab your plastic trim removal tool and start at one of the lower corners. Gently pry the panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips one by one as you work your way around the entire perimeter. Be patient and avoid excessive force. With the clips released, the door panel should now be loose. Carefully lift the entire panel straight upwards. This action will disengage it from the window channel at the top. Once it's free, you'll see various electrical connectors for the window switches, speakers, and lights. Disconnect all of these. Finally, release the door handle cable and the door lock rod mechanism, which are usually clipped into place. Once all connections are free, you can completely remove the door panel and set it aside in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged. When you're ready to put everything back together, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all clips align and all electrical connections are securely reattached. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.